In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perfect writing with WPS Office Spell Check. Let's start by opening WPS Office and loading the document you want to polish. Take a second to confirm you've opened the right file, especially if you're working with multiple drafts. With your document on screen, look toward the top toolbar and open either the Tools menu or the Review menu, depending on the version and layout you're using. Both lead you to the same place. From there, choose Spell Check or Proofread to begin the process. WPS Office will immediately scan your document for common spelling and grammar issues. As it works, you'll likely see underlines or a panel with suggestions. Spelling concerns are typically marked differently from grammar hints, which helps you quickly understand what needs attention. This automated pass is designed to catch obvious errors and easy to miss typos that slip past the eye when you've been staring at a page for a while. When you see a suggestion that looks right, select it to replace the incorrect word or phrasing. You'll notice the change applied instantly, so you can keep your momentum without leaving your current paragraph. And if the suggestion doesn't fit, maybe it's a brand name, a technical term, or a word you've intentionally used, choose Ignore. That tells WPS Office to leave it as is, which is especially helpful when the software flags something that's correct in your specific context. Work your way through each suggestion, accepting the ones that improve clarity and accuracy, and ignoring the ones that don't. Move steadily from start to finish so you don't miss anything, and watch for repeated errors. Correcting one instance doesn't automatically fix others unless you choose an option that applies broadly. Once the checker is done, and you've cleared the list, do one final read-through yourself. Automated checks are powerful, but your judgment is the last line of defense. Read at a comfortable pace and pay attention to names, dates, and specialized terms, as those can be flagged inconsistently. If something feels off after a change, you can always adjust it manually to better fit your tone and meaning. When everything looks perfect, tap Save to keep your corrected document. Saving right away ensures your improvements are preserved and ready to share or export. And that's it. By using the built-in tools in WPS Office, you've quickly cleaned up errors, improved readability, and ensured your writing represents you at your best.